Samsung's answer to Pixel 6 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro. What's up guys, we're back with the latest news. We're just a days away from the Unpacked event, but Samsung will face a pretty tough competition from Google and Apple very soon. Usually around this time, Samsung has a pretty strong response ready, and that is in the form of a Galaxy Note smartphone. But as we know, that's not gonna happen. For the first time in last 10 years, the latest iPhone won't have a direct, newly announced Galaxy Note flagship as a competitor. Other than the iPhone, Google also chose this year for their biggest comeback since the original Pixel, so odds are not in Samsung's favor, but they can definitely make a pretty solid move. The best answer to the iPhone 13 Pro and the Pixel 6 Pro is a cheaper S21 Ultra. Yes, Samsung has actually officially dropped some price on the S21 Ultra from $1,200 to $1,000. That is a solid $200 off on all storage variants of the S21 Ultra. It's a pretty good move that can put some pressure on the upcoming Pixel 6 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro. Now, it's been said by Google themselves that the Pixel 6 Pro will be an expensive device made for people that want the absolute best. It's actually going to be Google's most expensive flagship ever. In my opinion, the price has to be $1,000, but if it's more than that, then it's definitely Samsung's first clean win. And just to mention a quick survey done by Phone Arena for the pricing of both Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro, apparently most people are willing to pay $1,000 for the Pixel 6 Pro and about $700 for the Pixel 6. So yeah, this is indeed Samsung's best answer to the upcoming flagship phones: reduce the price and also possibly give even more discounts, plus make some more marketing material around the release date of Pixel 6 Pro and of course the iPhone 13 Pro. Also in the news, one of the big things about the Pixel 6 family is indeed its brand new Google Tensor chip. Google actually did not reveal any details on the CPU or GPU, but according to the data revealed by Galaxy Club, the internal name for the Google Tensor chip is Exynos 9855. This actually sits between the Exynos 9840, which is the Exynos 2100 on the S21 Ultra, and the upcoming Exynos 9925, which is the AMD Exynos chip that we'll see on the Galaxy S22. Now, unfortunately, the performance of the Google Tensor chip will not be close to AMD Exynos. It's going to be pretty close to Exynos 2100 and Snapdragon 888. Again, with the Tensor chip, the emphasis is on Google's AI and their machine learning. That's the biggest thing that allowed them to make a generational camera jump with the Pixel 6 Pro. Again, we'll see how it actually delivers on the hype. Now, last but not the least, we have some breaking news coming from frontpagetech.com. Apparently, Google will be officially announcing the Pixel 5a on August 26th. Because of the global chip shortage, this phone might be available only in two major markets, United States and Japan, or maybe it's because of the Pixel 6 family that Google has planned for other markets. Here are the specs for the Pixel 5a. It's pretty much like Pixel 5, but it's got a bigger screen and an even bigger battery, so I think it's going to be a pretty solid phone for most people. But of course, the best of Google has yet to come, and although there's no Galaxy Note phone right now, Samsung still has an answer to the Pixel 6 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro in the form of a price drop. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think S21 Ultra has any chance / momentum against these upcoming phones? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.